Hello friends, today I see you how to make cartoon video with mobile, just on app. So we go to Play Store and search Photo Platagon Story. This is app, open. This app is very big, like 200 MB. At first you create video and this is scenery, and you have to more scenery by subscription month বিডিটি 80 টাকা। Huge scenery you find there, but it cost money. So this is free scenery, and we make it. Hello friends, this app is very big. It take many time to load. Have this many character before I make. এখানে many character you choose and create. You wear many items like glass, shirt, eye. You also back and select another another character. This is another character, and randomize you change it. Select character, you back there. Yes, there is two character, and select another character. Yes, there is two character, and we give them voice. This message mark, and select character, no character, Anna. This is Anna, and give microphone for voice record. নো, এখানে নো একটা দিয়ে হাম বার ক্লিক করতে হবে, দেওয়ার পর এই যে মাউথ, এখানে মাউথের উপর ক্লিক করতে হবে। হ্যাঁ গাইস, character by character you give them voice. Sorry for microphone problem. One by one you set voice. After finishing set was you plate. This is করতে হবে ভিডিওটা, এখানে ক্লিক করতে হবে। After finishing you export with subtitles, without subtitles and rendering. And finalizing video, you save to gallery, photo Placon story, and select and go to gallery.